Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about technology under the hood. Now most of you folks know about technology inside the new cars as far as all the great things that come along with the stereo systems and the displays and everything else that's inside the vehicle. But today, and heated seats of course, we don't want to forget those. Most important to a lot of folks, right? Today we're talking about technology under the hood though. Everything from electronic assist, driver assist parking, to surpassive restraint systems, which are airbags, etc., stuff like that. A lot of these systems now have proximity sensors set up in them, things like that to avoid collisions. So, and they can be located in the mirrors, in the bumpers themselves, and several other places. All of this technology talks to each other. We have a lot of modules inside of vehicles now, and in doing so, it helps prevent accidents, keeps you safe if there is an accident, can brake the car if it's getting too close to another vehicle, and a lot of other things that come along with it. The technology is really advanced and are saving a lot of lives and preventing a lot of accidents, along with everything else going on inside the vehicle.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.